Happy Monday, little monsters. We are starting our week off with one of my go-to kind of lazy mom meals. Today I'm using the Planet Box Rover, and we have a dinosaur theme magnet here. In there, I decided to make a grilled cheese sandwich. I have some whole wheat bread, added some American cheese to it. And while I was making that, I was making the rest of the box. So look how cheesy it is right now. Comment down below, guys. Let me know, do you guys use butter or do you guys use mayo when you do your grilled cheese? I'm very, very curious. I actually did a little bit of both today, but that is what I have for the main meal. To go with that, I have some pretzel chips. I have some cherry tomatoes. Vitamins are here in the center. And then I have clementine that I peeled up along with some blueberries. And then just for a special treat, just gave him a little mini Twix bar. And then for a snack today, I'm gonna give him a chocolate chip granola bar. So that is what he's bringing to lunch. We have his thermos of milk and then one of water per usual. And that is what he's bringing. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Good morning, little monsters. So for today, we're using the bento Kids. This is lazy meal number 2 for the week. And I'm considering this lazy pretty much because this is eating leftover food. So we ordered some chicken, we have some leftover nuggets here, and I just reheated it this morning. While I was reheating it, I made the rest of the box. So basically went with a clementine, which is his favorite. We got some Mandalorian goldfish in here today. I have some carrots, and then I have his multivitamins here in the center to go with that for snack time. Just gonna give him these pre-sweetened pancakes that I got from Costco. And then I have a thermos of milk and then one of water, and that is what he's bringing to school. And to me, I think being lazy can just be reheating leftovers. What do you guys think? We'll see what he eats at the end of the day. Good morning, little monsters. So today I am actually doing my grocery pickup, so I'm kind of limited on what my options are, and I'm going with a lazy meal. So I have a Yum Box panino here, and I have one of my sandwich cutters. This is like our favorite sandwich cutter. It's actually not that big. It doesn't require like really large bread like some of the other ones do, but I still had to flatten out my bread a little bit just to kind of make it work. But it is the puzzle one. This one I have here, I'm using some apple butter, which is one of his favorite jams. So that's what I have in the sandwich. To go with that, I just have a clementine that I peeled up as multivitamins in the center. I have some Cheetos today for his snack, and I'm gonna give him a box of raisins to go with that. And then for snack time, I have a peanut butter chocolate Chex Mix bar for snack. And then I just have his thermos of water and then one of milk, and that is what he's bringing to school today. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Happy Friday, guys. We are at the end of our Lazy Mom lunch week. Today is lazy in the sense of not maybe the meal itself, but how I prepared it. So we're gonna start off with the bento Kids Chill. Inside, I made a sandwich, and just real quick for the Kids Chill pack, you have the food tray, and then you have the freezer pack that goes underneath it. So this stays in your freezer, it stays cold. You pop that in, then you pop that on top, and it keeps the food chilled until lunchtime. So today I made a sandwich. Brandon has half a sandwich. We use some whole wheat bread. We have some turkey, salami, some lettuce. I added some pesto sauce, and then I also added a little bit of mayo. So you can see a little bit of green there. And that is his sandwich. I have a clementine that I peeled up. He has some potato chips here, just a regular flavor. And then I have some Oreo cookies for him there. For my lunch, I am using the bento pop, and in the bento pop I have the same sandwich. I have a whole sandwich instead though, and I actually did toast my bread up a little bit on the side. So same sandwich here, and then I have here some jalapeno chips, and then I also have a clementine. So that is what we are bringing for lunch. And then I am bringing, since he had Oreos for my little dessert, I am bringing one of these Godiva chocolate bars. So this is the salted caramel milk chocolate. So I'm just gonna have one of these. And then for snack time, we're gonna go with these Make Good granola minis. So we have a chocolate chip and a mixed berry. And then for drinks, since it is Friday, he is getting an apple juice. I am drinking a LaCroix orange flavor. And then we also have our thermoses of water. So that is what we're bringing to lunch today. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. If you guys haven't subscribed, so please go ahead and do so, as we do put out weekly lunches every Friday. And again, this one I say is a lazy meal pretty much because you can make them both at the same time and save so much time making 2 sandwiches, making 2 lunches. So to me, that's a win. Also, you guys can follow me at Little Monster Eats on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and on TikTok. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. Bye.